you've ever bought a product such as a laser printer, a cell phone, or antivirus software and read the user's guide or accessed the company's website for support, chances are Vassant Systems has touched your life. If you think about companies that make products like cell phones, for example, imagine all the different models they produce. For each model, they produce documentation for that product's usage, parts, and support. The documentation is produced as a printed manual, but it might also be produced on a CD, and more than likely that information is available on the company's website. So in this example, suddenly instead of 5 manuals, there are 15 publications to write and maintain. And if it's a multinational company, every piece of documentation must be translated into many different languages. So you can see how the volume of work for a technical communicator multiplies rapidly when documentation is published to multiple media channels and also in many languages. Imagine being the manager of that writing team, trying to manage all of this information and the constant updates needed for all of those models. It's really overwhelming. Vassant Systems develops software to help writers, translators, desktop publishers better handle these volumes of information used in their technical documentation, their reference manuals, and other business documents. This software, called the Vassant Content Management System, allows users to store and manage their information not as books, PDFs, or HTML files, but as a single trusted source of content. This content is stored in a way that's similar to parts stored into bins, but the difference being that each part in the bin is unique. These unique components can then be reused rather than rewritten each time the same or similar content is needed for different publications, saving the writers hours of creation and revision time. Content is more accurate because changes can be made globally when the content's reused, so organizations receive fewer calls in their help centers. And the cost of translations and desktop publishing are significantly reduced due to the reuse of content and the automation that Vassant provides in sorting and processing the appropriate content. The Vassant Content Management System also provides many tools to organize and manage content and the processes surrounding it. Vassant allows editors to control the vocabulary used by its writing team to keep the terminology and the messaging consistent across their publications. In addition, every version of the content's maintained, providing an audit trail that tracks the who, what, when, and where of every change made to the content. Vassant's workflow lets users define their own process to make sure that the right users are performing the right tasks at the right time. Managers can track the status of all the projects using the charts and the reports in Vassant's project management window to make sure they are on schedule. Additionally, content that must be translated can be tracked, transported, and managed between Vassant and the translation vendors. The multilingual content can be stored in Vassant once it's translated, where it can be reused to save even more costs. Fortune 500 organizations and smaller companies use Vassant to manage the documentation for all types of products, including medical devices, computer storage devices, software and printers, outboard motors and diesel engines, and telecommunications equipment, as well as medical dictionaries for doctors and standards manuals for machinists. These organizations have saved millions of dollars using Vassant to organize their content and manage the editorial, translation, and publishing processes for their printed and electronic documentation.
Tekelec is a leader in next-generation network solutions. Business growth and the evolution of our solutions have increased the complexity of our customer documentation. 5 years ago, Tekelec selected Vassant for their content management system to help us keep pace with development, reduce cost, and better serve our customers. Vassant worked closely with us to configure our system and framework of our corporate database. The setup required understanding our component functions and our related processes and tools. We converted 25,000 pages of technical documentation into standalone topics that now allow us to reuse content in our various customer deliverables and to make content available within our company. During the conversion process, Vassant customized their software to make enhancements specific to our needs. Now, Tekelec has reduced documentation production cycles while maintaining our quality and enhancing our customer experience. We reuse content and produce multiple media formats, including online help systems and PDFs. All generated output consistently reflects Tekelec standards and styles. Fewer writers are assigned to production tasks. We use scripts and tools to introduce quality checks, like running publication builds nightly to help identify errors, locate broken links, and generate useful metrics. Other Tech-Elec departments are now investigating Vassant and the potential of our content management system. Both Tech-Elec and Vassant have benefited from our collaboration. Vassant now has a richer and more robust product and continues adding new features that help Tech-Elec improve function and process, as well as improve our customer experience.